Good. Now, hello, Pablo. Very good. Good. I like that one. Pablo, can you sing? Somewhere over the rainbow. I like it. Very good, Miss Moni. Pablo? Can you get a different song? Come on, give me a go. Okay, that's a good one too. Can you get a different song? Can you get a different song? Very good. All right, Pablo, you gotta give me a good one. Very good. And one last one from you, Miss Moni. Can you get a different one? How about a little bit of a remix. Everyone give a little round of applause to my singers. Very good, very good. I'd buy that album any day. I'd buy more of the single than anything, to be honest. Thank you so much. And thank you very much, Miss Moni. Do you want to do another one? You can do another one. Yeah, it's cool. Encores are cool. You want to do another one? Very pretty. Thank you, Miss Moni, for that encore. Alrighty, so we're gonna continue moving, and we're gonna move on to my next favorite bird. This here is Fortune. Can you guys say hi to Fortune? So Fortune here is a very cool type of parrot. Fortune here is something called an African gray parrot. Now these guys are one of the world's most intelligent birds out there. Yes, she is. So we said earlier, the average intelligence level is about 3 years of age, right? And that includes my bigger guys. Fortune here is a lot smarter than that. She has about the same intelligence level of a 5 to 6 year old. So she's double the amount of brains than even my bigger guys. Alrighty. So my friend Fortune here happens to be my famous actress of the bunch. Yes, she is. Now, my friend Fortune here has been in many different types of Hollywood films, where she's been in many different types of roles. So hopefully today she's going to be performing most of her roles for you today. Granted, she can be quite the diva some days because she is an actress after all. Now, first, Fortune, I want you to do your famous animal roles. She's been in many different types of animal movies, so let's see if she remembers those roles. Fortune, you ready? Can I get a chicken? Dog? Cat? Good! Now let's see if we can get that in a different order. Are you ready, Fortune? Can I get a dog? Chicken? Cat? Good! Very good. Couldn't mess her up. Now, next, she's been in evil villain movies. In order to get an evil villain, you need a good evil laugh, right? Especially when you're giving away all your evil plans. So let's see if she has one. Do you have a laugh? Big evil laugh. Good. Now let's come over here. Can you laugh? Big evil laugh. Very good. Fortune, extra spooky. Now, Fortune has also been in romance movies. Are you good in a good romance movie? You need a good kissing scene, right? I know, pretty gross from the little ones. Well, let's see if she has one. Can I get a kiss? Big kiss. Thank you. Now, can I get a kiss? Kiss? Bigger kiss. Ooh, thank you. Now, Fortune here has also been in her favorite roles, which is her comedy roles. She loves to try to make people laugh. So let's see if she can make you guys laugh today. Are you guys ready for this one? Do you guys smell something? Fortune? Who farted? Oh, it was her. One more time. Who farted? Who farted? Oh,